The lost identity. My brothers and sisters, Africa's biggest problem is not poverty. It is not even politics. The real problem is this: we have lost our identity. The problem? Colonialism and slavery didn't just take our gold and diamonds, they stole our mind. They made us hate our languages, abandon our names, reject our culture, and even fight each other over foreign religions. Today, many of us know more about Europe's kings than Africa's own heroes. The truth. When you lose identity, you lose direction. You copy others instead of creating your own path. You divide instead of unite. And that is why Africa is still struggling today, not because we are weak, but because we forgot who we are. The hope. But identity can never die. It is inside us, waiting to be reclaimed. When we speak our languages, honor our ancestors, and learn our true history, we take back the power that was stolen from us. Action needed. My people, remember this: a tree without roots will fall, but when the roots are strong, no storm can destroy it. Let us return to our roots, reclaim our identity, and rise again as one Africa, proud and unshaken. One Africa. One people.